A desk that can stand up when you're ready to stand up? Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I want to talk about desks. We spend a lot of time sitting at tables, sitting at coffee shop tables, sitting at your desk, but there's so much data to show that if you can stand up and sit down and move around a little bit during your day, it's so much better for your body, and that means it's better for your mind too. So when Autonomous sent me their SmartDesk 2, I was super interested. This is a desk that can rise and lower based on whatever you want. So I'm sitting down, I have my nice little ergonomic chair, but maybe I've been tired of sitting down, so I'm going to push one of my preset buttons and watch what happens. Pretty cool. So now I can stand and I can work here like this, maybe for, I don't know, hour, half an hour. Then I get tired, I want to sit down again. All I have to do is push one of my other preset buttons, pull my chair back up, and I'm ready to continue working. Super cool. As you saw, the movement is fast, it's quiet, it takes just a couple of seconds. There's actually a control panel in the front. Here's a close-up, and it shows you exactly what height you have. If I decided I want it a little lower, I can lower it a little bit or a lot. In fact, this particular configuration can go from 24 inches high to 51 inches high. So that's a huge range. Now, this is what's known as the business edition. So there are actually motors on each of the two legs. One of the things I really like is, and so the home edition actually has one motor and it has a drive shaft that sort of sits underneath. Super stable, really strong. This is the bamboo finish. As you can see, it's a really lovely finish. Turns out that the desks come in, and this is also, you see the cutout? So this is the ergonomic desk design. And turns out that there are 5 different surface materials, 6 different surface designs, and 3 different platform colors. You can look on the bottom, I have black. You can also get it in white or silver. And so you can really mix and match to get exactly the configuration you want. Now this is bamboo. And this is the ergonomic desk surface, which is 53 inches wide. They actually make one that's 71 inches wide. That's a lot wider than this. I don't really need that much because I just need some speakers and my computer, so I don't have huge demands, but nice to have a workspace like this. Like I said, this also has a black platform. And the home edition, 1 motor, the business edition, 2 motors. As you actually add these sort of features, then you're adding to the price. Now, before I tell you the price, let me ask you, can you go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you can join my channel? Awesome, thank you. Now, before I tell you the price, let me just say, I really like this. It was a bit of a pain to set up, to be honest. When we were working on it, we were actually also sent a video from the company about how to make it, but the videos for the home edition, we had the business edition, took us a while to be looking at it and saying, we don't have that hole, we don't have that bar, we don't have that thing. So we finally just sort of put the instructions aside and just figured it out and built it all ourselves. Ourselves being my son and I. He's really good at this sort of stuff. That worked out great. Interestingly, when we went to put this little panel on, they have pre-drilled holes for your screws. The pre-drilled hole was the same width as the screw, so there was nothing for the screw to catch on. We ended up drilling our own holes for this part. Not a huge big deal, but for a company that's spending so much attention to detail, it was a little surprising to have these things slightly out of sync. But you know what? It's done, it's built, it's a fantastic desk. I really like it. I know my daughter's really lobbying for this, but I think I'm going to keep it and have this be just a work area because I love that I can do this and I can stand up and work on this. How convenient and how pleasant is that? Now, price. The base unit, black desk, single motor, the simpler of the desk surfaces and everything starts at only $299, so it's really quite affordable. The SmartDesk 2. This particular configuration, this is sort of the Cadillac of configurations. Cadillac the right word? This is the Rolls-Royce, I don't even know, the Tesla. Let's just come up with some fancy brand. This one actually runs $549. You can learn about all the different configurations. They have some really cool chairs too at Autonomous. Some really nice stuff. If you're ready to go beyond sitting at the kitchen table and actually having an ergonomic work surface, though my desk looks a little high right now, then I highly encourage you to check out autonomous.ai. This is the SmartDesk 2 with bamboo ergonomic desk surface and black platform, and it's $549. This is Dave Taylor, and I need to get back to work, so I'll catch you in my next video.